What's up guys, it's MartyBlendz and we're back with another cinematic tutorial, but this time demonstrating how I create a burst fade. You always want to start off by combing down no matter what type of hair. With my trimmer I will set in my first baseline. Try to keep it looking like a cut off circle by using pure corners. Now get rid of the stubble underneath using your shaver. With the lever fully open on your clippers, go ahead and trace the line you just made, giving it a 1/2 inch guideline. Close up the lever and go halfway through the guideline, opening up the lever as you go up. If you can still see the baseline, come back with your trimmers and erase with your corners. Using the 1.5 open, create a full inch guideline all around. Right above, hit that line with the number 2 open. And now to soften everything up, just run the number 3 right above. You want to grab that half guard halfway open and hit the line you see at the very bottom. I then use the number 1 to blend the line above. Finally, open up the lever fully and hit any remaining line you see at the very bottom. On here, I just thought I'd cut off a little bit of bulk using clipper over comb. For these burst fades, you really want to concentrate on your lines being crispy. So what I do is start off in the middle and then work my way to the sides. As for the back, I got creative and did something different. I did use some enhancements to fulfill the boxy edge up look I was going for. Now just detail using corners, apply some product, and you should be set. Guys, if you like the cinematic tutorials, make sure you give it a thumbs up. I have a bunch of them in store, so subscribe and I will see you soon. Peace.